Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to edit a muted username on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app on your PC after the latest update. Whether you muted someone a while back and want to adjust their handle, or simply update your muted list, this guide will walk you through everything easily. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your desktop or laptop. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand panel and find the More icon. It's the one with the 3 dots in a circle. Click on it to expand a small menu. From there, go down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account and privacy options are stored. Inside that menu, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls what you see and who can interact with you across the platform. Next, scroll down until you find Mute and Block. Click on it, and then choose Muted Words. Even though we're editing muted usernames, this is still the section that stores all the muted content words, phrases, and handles. Now, you should see a list of everything you've muted. Find the username you want to update and click on it. This will open up the detailed settings for that specific mute. Here, you can adjust the username, change how long it stays muted, or modify where it applies like timelines or notifications. Once you've made your changes, click Save at the bottom of the window. Just like that, your muted username has been updated. Keep in mind that these settings take effect immediately, so you don't need to refresh your page or restart the app. Everything syncs automatically through your account. And that's it. You now know how to edit a muted username on the X app using your PC with the latest update. This new layout makes it simpler to manage who and what you mute without extra steps. Take a moment to explore the other options in the Mute and Block section. You might discover a few useful features to help make your feed a more comfortable space.